guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm here with Mum and Digger.
Hi
Dad,
guys.
of course. Just before we start, I just want to say thank you to 2,000 subscribers.
Yay!
I just checked my phone before we got here and we've done it. Thank you so much. We appreciate you liking, commenting and subscribing to our channel, so thank you so much. As you can see, we're on the 1860s homestead that we did in one of our previous videos. So we haven't detected this place much, guys, but we're going to try and get a video out for you today, so we'll see you on the first hole. So Mum's just shouted me over.
I don't know what it is, but
Oh, what is that?
it looks like it's broken off there.
Yeah.
But
If you have a clue what it is, drop a comment. Oh, that's quite heavy actually.
yeah.
Unusual. Finding these relics already, guys. Mum's first hole. Alright guys, so I'm on to my second hole. My first one was a couple of nails, but I've just popped the plug and I thought that was a coin straight away, but I think it's a coin imprint. So I thought I'd show you together. Let's find it. Hopefully it's a coin. Oh, it's in my hand.
Coin.
I got a coin. It's just an old 20. But you could see the imprint really well. Look at that, guys.
We knew it was a coin before we found it.
Yeah. Look, the
Oh,
imprint's right
sweet.
there. Oh, 20 cent.
I think this is where you got your 86?
66.
86 gram?
And this is
Not far, yeah.
1979. But yeah, that's nice. That's a good start. We'll see you on the next hole. Alright guys, on to the next plug. It's just popped out. We got a horseshoe. Hopefully that's a sign of luck, eh?
Is that
Smaller,
the fifth
yeah,
one?
fifth one from this place. It's smaller than all the others, but let's hope this brings us some luck, eh?
Cool. I think I found another spoon. And it is a spoon this time. I can see the top of it. It was jumping around at about 59. A spoon, Leah. Yeah. Oh, it's got some markings on it.
That's quite nice, actually.
Yeah.
What's it say?
I don't know what's that saying. W and H SD A1. W and H, I think, is like the make or the brand or something, I'd say.
SD, usually where it's from.
Yeah.
A1's definitely for the quality. I remember that from the last spoon we found.
see that?
Or fork we found, actually.
Yeah. That's cool, eh? That's so random.
Well,
that
it belonged
looks
to
pretty
the house,
old.
so yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty old. Nice.
Thank
I'm
you.
just getting nails, but you know. All good, all good.
Look at this beautiful view, guys. What you got?
I'm not quite sure, but I think it's part of the structure. Looks like it attached to something, or maybe swung.
Oh.
I think
It's
there's a
got like a
pattern
design
underneath
on
there.
it.
Design under there. But I'm quite enjoying doing these overloads.
You can see a pattern of some
Yeah.
sort. Right?
Yeah.
Digger Dad is now having a go. See if his luck returns. And Mum's still over there finding relics. So we'll come back to you soon, guys. Dad's on to his first relic. What is it? Ah, oh yeah.
That'll drop down. Pull out. Maybe a drawer or something.
Look. That's really old. What the? Oh well. Pretty cool. Finding the old relics today. Got to get rid of those big iron signals and then we'll find the treasure. See you on the next hole.
I found a coin!
So Mum shouted, coin. Let's go see.
Look at that. Oh, it's got a nice imprint as well.
Has it?
Lovely imprint.
What is it?
Hang on, wait, just show
I
that.
just
That
want
looks
to show
so
you.
cool.
Look.
Look at the imprint.
I popped
Oh,
the
no
plug.
way.
And
And there's the coin.
Can you see it?
Down here.
Ah, cool.
Let's
Let's see
have
what
a
it is.
look.
We've only ever found one coin from here and it was
It's an old one because it's the
1866.
Britannia, I think.
Good, so it's British.
1912.
Wow.
That's the oldest coin I've found.
So cool.
Yes.
Look at this.
Let's ties in quite nicely with the history of this
So-
homestead.
Can you see old Georgie boy there?
See.
And then here you can just about see, and then it says 1912 right at the bottom. But we'll definitely clean this up because that
Beautiful.
is so cool.
Well done. About time we got a coin here.
I was just about to give up too.
Right, so come here then with me and we'll do this area.
Look at the
I'm going to keep
How
that.
deep was
Can
it?
we keep the imprint too?
Look at
Oh,
that.
that's cool.
That is cool.
Right, that's lovely.
That's awesome.
2 coins in one.
Well done.
Catch you on the next coin.
How deep was it? Not too bad.
Wasn't even that deep.
No.
It's so
What
nice.
was that ringing at,
I
Jen?
didn't even have to get the pinpointer out.
What's it ringing at? Yeah.
It was a bit scatty actually. Oh, 67. Yeah. Yeah.
About a normal coin then.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I'm gonna clean that up and take a photo.
Yeah, the only one.
Nice, well done.
That's so cool.
Let's find some more.
So you can see Mum's plug. It was right near the hat there. The 1912 coin that we just pulled out. It's got a nice 6970 signal right here. So let's go live. And if it's not, then I'm gonna cry.
I will try.
Digger Dash just found some wire.
Yeah, we'll let Digger Dad take over. I don't know,
We're gonna do it live though.
Needs to go deeper here, I think, babe.
Oh.
Deeper here.
In the middle.
Yeah. Nice dig. Let's have our fingers crossed.
This one might be a bit deeper than your other one.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's older. Come on, be a coin, be a coin.
What's that?
Otherwise I'm deleting this video.
Sidewalk?
Yeah, it's on the
sidewalk.
side.
Fingers crossed.
The pressure is on. Oh, is it in there?
It's in
Oh,
here.
this is
Let's
even
do
more
it.
exciting. Oh, it's a coin! Did you see that? It's a coin.
I knew it was a coin.
And it's got a nice imprint too.
Full imprint.
Hey? What is it?
What are you? It's the same. 1879, I think it just said.
No, that's
Oh,
it,
did.
That'd be the oldest coin we've ever had.
Can you
Oh, no,
see that?
66 was the oldest. So,
1879, I can
Wow.
see that nice and clear.
so the home was
Can
apparently
you see
built
that, guys?
in 1866.
Oh my god.
1868, Leah, so that
Aren't
ties
they
in.
really nice coins as well?
Ties in
So
perfectly
nice.
to the age of the property.
Oh my
And
god.
you got a nice imprint with it too.
Again.
We got a spot here.
First time I've had a sandwich.
Look how nice this one is. Can you
That
see how
lovely
nice
patina.
that is?
Yeah.
Mum's on the roll.
I know, wow. One after another.
Things on a roll.
Mum's on the roll.
Coin dance, so the same as my golf
Yes.
dance.
Well done, guys. Let's find some more.
Just
Yeah.
show you them together.
It's beautiful.
Look at them together now.
Reflection.
They've just come out one after another.
Where was the old plug, Jenny, for the last coin?
You can see it right there too.
Oh,
So
wow.
this was
And
the
it was
old
just
one.
here.
Okay, let's walk in a straight line.
I am. I'm going to do this little area here.
That's so cool. Awesome. So we're on a really good spot. You can see Mum's plugs of her coin. She's still gritting. Dad's bottom feeding, but it was worth it. Look at that. He's just found a buckle. That is really old too. That's awesome. And we just pulled out a couple of nails from here too, but and then this just popped out. What a beauty. Awesome. See you on the next one, unless this is another one. More nails. That's all right. So we're just gridding the area of the coins and the buckle, but Mum just had it overload.
And we have to dig it.
So it's a big iron signal. We'll see what it is. You need to get under it.
No.
Did that flick up? Yeah. What, you flick the plug and it...
Look, I tried to get this
We're trying to get this big thing out. I told her she needs to go behind it.
Oh, you're lucky I've got some baby wipes.
It is
It
big
is
though.
big.
Look.
I'll get it.
All right.
Okay, let Dad take
We'll
that
pass
away.
over to dig a dad and
Yeah.
and we'll come back in a minute. All right, so after Mum just got me covered in mud, was it worth it?
Yes. Someone will tell us what this beauty is.
I have no idea.
Do you know what? I think it may be of some kind of car or carriage or... you know me.
Let's have a look at that side.
Oh.
That's weird, eh?
See how it's got like...
What is this, guys? Yeah? Oh.
Oh, hold on.
The same holes that the buckle from,
Yeah.
all them nails.
Oh!
It's kept giving me a 58, so I carried on digging.
Oh.
Now, I'm not sure what it is,
What's that?
so I carried on digging.
What is that?
There's glass and everything.
I think that's a belt buckle or something. Nah, what is that? Guys, come on. That is cool. What is
Look how
it?
many nails came out. I didn't want to give up because it kept giving a nice...
Oh, look, it's got a little, like a bat on it for cricket at the top. Yeah, look at that little cricket back at the top.
Come prepared today.
We'll clean it up and we'll show you in a minute. What the hell?
That might be a little bit of a rubbish.
So yeah, Dad just found that buckle there and then the nails. We've just put Mum's coins in there too, but more nails coming out. Yeah, look at all of these. See guys, if you get nails, you just got to get them all out, eh?
And it's got writing on it.
Is it?
Yeah. It is. We'll
It's
be able
so
to see that.
cool. Oh
The
yeah.
writing on the cricket bat.
England's cricketers. England's cricketers, it says.
If it's
Whoa.
this property, hopefully it's going to be really old.
That is so cool. Well done, Digger Dad. And I'm still covered in mud. So I'm just cleaning up this little cricket thing and Dad's still going in the hole digging out nails, but he's also just found
Same hole.
another buckle.
It was in
What?
all this mud.
It's old.
Yeah, so you've got a little buckle, that big buckle, all the nails.
Yeah.
And then this cool thing that I'm just still cleaning up, guys. That is so cool. But yeah, we'll let you know if he finds anything else. But there's heaps of nails in here, so we're just trying to get through them. Oh, the cows are coming for a visit too.
Friends here.
Mum's friends are here.
Oh, see, my friend's
that?
coming.
Is that ringing? Is that a little buckle? That is, that's another little buckle. What the?
Buckle spill.
Has anyone ever had a buckle spill
It was in
before?
the plug as well.
Look at
All in
that.
the same hole.
What? As well as it. What the?
Still-
Oh, he's come real close.
Hey, boy.
Hey, buddy. Dad, the cow's coming over.
That's all right. You have to worry about the other one.
No.
It's a dad joke.
Dad joke. So, Mum's friends have come to say hello. Hello. We have an audience. Thank you for subscribing. Do you have any comments? Dad's still going near the spot where he found the cricket buckle, but Mum's just shouted me over. Captain Hook. That's pretty cool. That's all day. Look at that. Yeah, that's a big one. Cool.
That was used. Probably hang some pigs from or something.
Awesome. Okay guys, I'm just trying to hide behind this tree so it's not too windy, but as you can see we've had a pretty good day here and we've finally started finding some old stuff. We're pretty happy with those pennies that we found, 1912 and 1879. Also the cricket buckle, that is awesome. We seem to think it's from around the same age as the coin, so we're just getting ready to pack up, but hopefully you enjoyed our video. Please keep liking, subscribing and commenting. As you can see, I'm still really muddy from where Mum threw all the mud in my face, but you know, we'll see you on the next video.